welcome back to the channel. This week you can see the planter is very sparse. Yes, I got my mother to separate them, and I have a lot of pots, small pots like this one at the front of the house with a million shoots of turnips in them. And it gave me a great idea. If you would like some turnips, shoots, or baby plants, message Rochelle. That will be for persons in Barbados, obviously. But I will give away because there are too much for here, and we want to, and we are growing other crops and herbs, so I could give away turnips shoots. But I will put in, because I do not have any seeds starters or those black containers that you will have the baby plants in. I'm going to put it in an egg crate. Yes, so this is a 12 or a 6. I will put them in those crates because I'm going to start because I'm feeling so proud of how these seeds have grown. These are one of the bags with all the seeds that we are growing. So if I could start the seeds and they're growing well, I could give them away. So I will use egg crates. Yeah, that's the cheapest thing. I think those are $5 a empty crate. I think you can't always buy eggs like that in Barbados. So, or if you want me to be able to get more crates or the black trays, you could support by clicking on my PayPal link. That will be in the description below, or my buy me a pizza or coffee link in the description below. As I said before, in Barbados we cannot be monetized, so any type of support from the viewers are welcome. Or if you want to send me any fan mail or anything that will help me to grow my plants more effectively, and if you have a adaptive gadget I could use in the pots, you will see the address in the description as well. Look, my flowers are growing and it looks like grass, you know, but I researched and everything, and that is how they really grows. Weird, but it's growing. And my turnips are growing. They only have a little scare because, you know, they have to move around and thing, but they are still growing. They're growing. So we are going to have some turnips, and I will eat some when they're ready. But continue to be with me on this journey. Then we'll go to the other planter pots to see if the original seeds are growing. Well, these are growing. They are growing. I am very suspicious of this plant. Very suspicious. And that one too. Nothing came up around here. Then they have these ones and these ones. I do not know what is what. Choice, marjoram, or I can't remember the next thing. It was leek. I don't know. This planter, we are just going to wait and see. Hey, the pot is growing. The flowers are growing. This is the pot that the cat destroyed, and I planted back them like some days after, and they're growing. So I'm very glad about that. As you say, whenever you are knocked down, just get up again. Keep getting up. And you'll find the next time you're getting up, it gets easier until you cannot be knocked down again. So, this is update on the planters and the idea that I came up with giving away the extra baby plants. I hope that you enjoyed this week's episode, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And please, I will always promote watching my playlist and sharing it out. So until next week, keep planting.